Did you know that marshmallows have a fascinating history dating back to ancient Egypt? These sweet treats were a luxury enjoyed by the pharaohs. Today, we are bringing that ancient delight to your kitchen with a homemade marshmallow tutorial. I am Hannah from Blogging Good Food, and before we embark on this culinary journey, so if you are hungry for more, head over to blogginggoodfood.com for in-depth kitchenware reviews and a treasure trove of delicious recipes. Making marshmallows from scratch is easier than you might think, and the results are incredibly rewarding. Here are the essentials you will need: sugar, gelatin, water, and a touch of vanilla for that irresistible flavor. Start by blowing the gelatin in water. Meanwhile, bring sugar and water to a gentle boil. Combine the two mixtures and whip until you have a glossy, smooth consistency. Pour the mixture into a prepared pan, let it set, and cut it into your desired shapes. And here they are. Your freshly made marshmallows are ready to make your sweet taste even more delicious. Now, for all our vegetarian and vegan pals or anyone looking for an alternative to gelatin, let's dive into creating marshmallows without it. Surprisingly, you can achieve that same fluffy, cloud-like texture using a secret ingredient: aquafaba. What's aquafaba, you ask? It's the viscous liquid from canned chickpeas. Sounds strange, right? But trust me, it's a game changer in the world of gelatin-free marshmallows. What you will need: 1 cup of aquafaba, the liquid from a can of chickpeas, 1 cup of sugar, a dash of cream or tartar, vanilla extract for that classic marshmallow taste. Number 1. Start by whipping the aquafaba using a stand mixture or an hand mixture. As it begins to froth up, add a dash of cream or a tartar to help stabilize it. Slowly incorporate the sugar as you continue to whip. This process is crucial for achieving that signature marshmallow fluffiness. Number 2. Once you have reached stiff peaks, similar to the texture of whipped egg whites, add a splash of vanilla extract for that unmistakable marshmallow flavor. Number 3. Spread the mixture onto a parchment-lined pan and let it sit for a few hours. When it's firm, slice it into squares and voila! You have just made gelatin-free marshmallows that are as fluffy and delightful as their traditional counterparts. The magic of aquafaba opens up a whole new world of marshmallow possibilities, proving that delicious treats can be created without gelatin. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite marshmallow topping? Drop a comment below and share your marshmallow making adventures. I can't wait to read your delicious stories. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more mouth-watering content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a recipe.